the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here the PhD vacancies are announced from one of the central university, that is Mahatma Gandhi Central University. So the total 289 PhD vacant seats are there among the multiple departments. So here actually the date is, the last date given that 31st July 2020, but again the date is extended. So the closing of link for submission of application form is extended up to 16th August 2020. Okay, so and it is a login for the admission in UG, PG, MPhil or PhD programs session 2022-21. Okay, and actually it is a previous advertisement where the last date is mentioned 31st July, but anyhow it is now extended to 16th August 2020. So the candidates who had not yet applied, so you may go through the official website of this one that I am providing in the description box of this video. And the PhD vacancies are there in the multiple departments like biotechnology, botany, chemistry, commerce, computer science, economics, educational studies, English, Gandhian and peace studies, Hindi, library and information sciences, management sciences, mathematics, media studies, physics, political science, Sanskrit, social work, sociology and zoology. So the huge number of departments are there which are offering the PhD programs, and it is the information brochure of the admission procedure in this central university, where you can check the eligibility criteria in each and every department. For example, in the biotechnology, coming to the PhD in biotechnology, the total number of intake 17 are there, and coming to the eligibility criteria, master's degree in life sciences, biological, physical, chemical or agriculture science, biotechnology, botany. Okay, so like that they're given here, and UG Senate they are not asking. Okay, so the candidates who are not having the UG Senate also, so you can apply to this vacant seats. And similarly coming to the botany, the 16 vacant seats are there. So like that in this information brochure you can check the total number of vacancies and in which department. Fine, so you please go through all this notification very clearly, then you will come to know the details. I mean how many vacancies are there in each and every department coming to the PhD. So not only the PhD, here MPhil programs are also there. So in the MPhil programs nearly 192 vacancies are there. So huge number of PhD vacants are announced from this central university, that is Mahatma Gandhi Central University. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you once go through that one, and if you belongs to any one of these departments as that is mentioned here, okay, if you belongs to any one of these departments, then you may go to the official website of the Mahatma Gandhi University, and it is a login link for this one. Okay, so I will provide this login link in the description box of this video, then you may fill up all the details. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and for more notifications please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you.